morning. Good morning. You probably can't see me, but today is my last official day at this job. It feels so surreal, man. It's crazy. I never thought I'd leave here, but if you're not happy at a job, you
see this? See this? See this?
Are you serious?
See this?
Tamika, go buy me some food.
See this? Yeah, put it on my blog.
Yeah, so I'm on the way back now. Got my sister a Subway. Got myself a spicy Italian. I didn't vlog in there because I'm just too lazy to do it. But yeah, on my way back, my friend said she worked at this Subway. What the fuck Subway is she talking about? It's the only one that's in fucking this area. I'm not gonna say where, but yeah, she be bullshit. She be on some shit. Yes, almost got head on twice. Going to get my sister stuff. Thank you. Y'all see how I am? Like almost got. Look at this. She not grateful. She not grateful. See this YouTube? She not grateful.
Give me it.
Yeah, I almost got hit head on twice because of this.
Oh, look at you.
But yeah, look at it, YouTube. Okay, I'm done.
This is Tamika's last day.
No, it's not. But I'm gonna check you in a little bit. Peace. What are you doing? What the hell is that? Lady, Shabas! He may attack. He may attack. Bus. Yes, be the crazy one. Beagle at it, good boy. Beagle at it. Do it. Beagle. Good boy. Woo. Yeah. Good boy. I love you, short bus. Hey. Right in the face. You smile. I love you. I go bye-bye. What you looking at? Such a baby. You're such a baby. You're such a baby. You're such a baby, Praetorian. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Look at him. This one. I'm with Praetorian. Where? Look at him. Look, he's a fucking creep. He keeps watching us. Look. Praetorian. He's a beautiful dog. He's so dramatic. I love you.
What you looking at? What you looking at? What?
The eyes of Praetorian. I miss you, okay? Gorgeous ass cat. You're so beautiful. Why you always yelling at us? Just excuse me. Bye. Don't talk back to me. Goodbye. I love you. Yes, I do. Don't tell me I don't. Yes, I do. You gotta deal with this one. I love you. Bye, Mavis. Bye. Look at you looking like Lion. No. I'm gonna miss you. How would you breathing like that? Okay. Bye. Bye, sexy. He don't care.
About to put them all up. That's awesome.
So this is like my last official day. But I got to see my short bus. Got to see my Praetorian. You know, I'm gonna miss my coworkers. But it's time to move on. Damn, it's so fucking hot. I think my tires are melted.
OG is what I am.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.